Welcome to Zarin and Zehra. Today, we're talking about a common but painful condition, plantar fasciitis. If you've been experiencing foot pain, this video is a must-watch. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Plantar fasciitis is a super common foot condition. It happens when the plantar fascia, this thick band of tissue running along the bottom of your foot, gets irritated and inflamed. What causes it? Some of the main culprits: being on your feet all day, running, especially on hard surfaces, wearing unsupportive shoes, flat feet or very high arches, tight calves or Achilles tendons. The fix. Top exercises for plantar fasciitis relief. First, 1 cold pack. Grab a cold pack or an ice cube, wrap it in a towel and place it under your foot for about 2 to 3 minutes. Great way to reduce inflammation and give yourself a little massage. 2. Wall calf stretch. Find a wall, put your hands on it, step 1 foot back and press your heel into the floor. You should feel a stretch in your calf. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Do it 2 to 3 times per leg. 3. Towel pickup game. Place a towel on the floor. Use your toes to scrunch it up toward you. Bonus: drop a few marbles on the floor and try to pick them up with your toes. It's actually kinda fun, and it builds foot strength. 4. Standing heel raises. Slowly rise up on your toes, hold for a couple seconds, and lower back down. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. This helps strengthen your arch and calf muscles. Bonus tips: wear shoes with good arch support, even around the house. Avoid walking barefoot on hard floors. Try a night splint if your pain is worst in the morning. And listen to your body. Don't push through the pain. Plantar fasciitis can be a real pain, but with a little consistency, the right stretches, and supportive shoes, most people start feeling better within a few weeks. Stick with it. Your feet carry you through life, so take good care of them. That was our quick guide on plantar fasciitis. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Zarin and Zehra. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay informed.